What should you know as a serious food traveler in 2020? Hey everyone, I'm Sunny. I'm an American living in London, married to a born and bred Londoner, and we make videos about food and travel advice for London and other destinations. I've spent the past 2 days at the inaugural National Geographic Traveler Food Festival in London. I've had access to and the opportunity to learn about what's happening now that's popular in food travel and what's on the horizon for next year. In general, there's a huge trend in food travel that's focused on health and well-being. Did you know there are 600,000 vegans, and that's 1% of the population in the UK? They expect that to make a huge jump in the next year. For this reason, when I met yesterday with representatives from London Cordon Bleu, they informed me that they are now starting a diploma in plant-based culinary skills. Pairing with this first trend of an increase in veganism is also the absence of alcohol. So I would love to hear in the comments how long you think you could go without a beer or a glass of wine or other cocktail. I'm going to ask Mr. Sunny when I get home, who's the blog's beer and food consultant, what he thinks. Let me know if you think you're going to be a part of this no alcohol trend and how long you think you can go without a drink. Next on the Healthy Vibe trend is the increase of consumption of products that are fermented. Further is the trend of sustainability and eating awful. And if you're not sure what eating awful is, let me just let you know, it's what you do every time you eat a sausage. Again, Sunny friends in the comments, let me know how you feel about eating awful. Something else very interesting was the rise and fall of French cuisine. It seems that since the French so quickly and strongly established themselves as a superior international cuisine, it kind of gave them golden handcuffs. One panel presenter yesterday suggested that the French are stuck with metaphoric handcuffs because their cuisine was defined so early, making it tough for them to change. Whereas British cuisine took a very big blow when rations were mandated, but events like this and the rise of the popularity of reality cooking shows has helped us change the perception of British food. And if you're visiting London soon and would like help with restaurant suggestions, subscribe to the Sunny News Weekly email. I'll leave the link for you below, and immediately you'll get my downloadable pocket guide to London restaurants. And it gives you access to 100 restaurants organized by neighborhood. Having it on your phone makes it very easy to never worry about what to eat when you're on a London street. Returning back to our information about French cuisine, Americans, you might find it very surprising that they're actually being very influenced right now by the hamburger. And the panel I attended yesterday said that hamburger places are popping up everywhere in France. I can't possibly inform you in a short highlight video of everything that's happening in terms of trends around the world for food travel. I'll link below a blog post that will give you more information about what I've learned here, including a cuisine that is making a major play to become internationally recognized. There's also a meat that is becoming very popular that you'll have to read the blog to find out what it is and why. I'm not kidding. That was actually a joke that was in really poor taste. For more information about visiting London and food travel tips about other destinations, keep watching the Sunny News YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.